Hi guys, a very good afternoon. Masquera say, Masquera say, Masquera say. So let us talk about Justice Edith Mushore, a High Court judge who went missing last year in June, and up to this day, we have not seen where her whereabouts. We have not seen a report actually telling us what really happened to her, what really transpired to her. However, there is a report, and she has been fired, she has been sacked, and because a team was set up to actually inquire about her conduct, her behavior, because she just went without giving notice, without telling anybody where she was going to, and she has been dismissed by the president of the Republic of Zimbabwe after a presentation was made by a tribunal. So here is live is saying that Justice Edith Mushore of the Harare High Court has been sacked after a tribunal was established to look into her unexplained absence from work, handed over its recommendations to President Mnangagwa. Mushore disappeared without official leave since June last year. So this is the report from Zimbabwe, and she has been sacked. Okay, Anzi, is she alive? In Kanzi, is she missing? And is that the judge who disappeared after authorizing bails of Dirty Hope and Job Sikala? Okay, so the question is, where is Justice Mshore? That is the important question here. Where is she? Is she there? Can she actually tell the people of Zimbabwe what really happened, why she's absent? And those are the issues we need to see. We have not seen the government of Zimbabwe actually coming out giving a different report, because we earlier covered a report from the Herald where they said Justice Mshore was missing, was nowhere to be found. So right now they've established that she failed to respect her work. She failed to actually report for work for a very long time, and they dismissed her. But the question is, where is she? How did they arrive at that conclusion to say she's not fit to do her job? How did they arrive to that conclusion? And another issue which I wanted to raise about judges uh, is, why is it that there is nobody actually speaking about how judges can be removed from power, how magistrates can be removed from power? This is very important. We need to have a tribunal which is set not by the president, but which is set by the Parliament of Zimbabwe, especially each and every political organization which is in parliament, giving authority or taking part in the selection of a tribunal. So we need to see these inquiries being done by a tribunal which is selected by members of the people who does have representation in parliament. For an example, if it is a 6-member tribunal, you take 2 members from ZANU-PF, 2 members from CCC, 2 members from MDC Alliance, and you set up a tribunal. That is the way we want it to happen, not to see this issue of the president does everything. What if the tribunal is biased? What if this woman is dead? What if this woman has been kidnapped and is in a different location? Because we have not seen the government of Zimbabwe coming out to give us an explanation in regard to the earlier report by the Herald, which they said Justice Mushore is missing. That is what is very important. So this is it in Zimbabwe. Justice Mushore has been dismissed by the president of the Republic of Zimbabwe after a tribunal found out that um, she failed to report to her job because of misconduct. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. This is what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. We continue to take a closer look about whatever is happening in the politics, in the judiciary, in the news of Zimbabwe, especially around politics and around governance, because we want to see a better governance. We want to see an improvement in terms of how things are actually done. So this is it in Zimbabwe. My name is Ronald Wekwamakusha, reporting about Justice Edith Mushore's dismissal. She has been dismissed after a tribunal found out that she was liable for dismissal. She was supposed to be dismissed. So your views and your comments are very important. In the comment section, please tell me, what do you think about her dismissal? Is it proper or what? Please tell me your thoughts and your views regarding this matter.